I made £7.65 or around $10 per day today, spending only 10 minutes of my time. Past 7 days I earn around 48 and 25 cents by completing a test. This PayPal address is specifically created for this website alone, and you can see it from here. I made this money by completing a certain task. This website also gonna pay you $90 for the big task, but you're gonna only spend 15 to 25 minutes for that. So this system work worldwide. Everyone can join it as long as you can able to speak English. You don't have to be a professional, but you're able to speak English and have an internet and laptop and mobile phone, either one. And you need to have a microphone that come with your headphone, and you can make money like this every single day. If you watch this video continuously, I will give you a bonus website in the end and the giveaway competition entrance or everything in the end. So watch that video until the end. So the first website I'm gonna show you, it's gonna be money for 10, 15, 20, 25 and $90 per task. So all you have to do is, before I show the website, we make money videos on money making, money saving tutorials. We try to upload one video per day. Also, what you have to do, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon, don't forget to click the like button on the bottom of the video. Also watch the video until the end for the giveaway, every single video we provide. So the first website, I'm gonna show you what is this in a minute. So when you go to the website, I put the link in the description, go down the bottom and click get participate here, this button. If you click that, it will take to this website. The website is called userlytic. Again, userlytic.com. This website is an app and mobile website testing platform. Just watch this video continuously. I will show you how you can sign up and how you can earn maximum amount of money from this website. There are certain settings that you forget to do that you're gonna lose lots of opportunity because of that. So first, what you have to do, this is the get participate site from the Userlytic. This is the thing, register and earn money by completing short and easy form this page and join our global community. Like I said before, this money making system works worldwide. To interact with a web and mobile app, there's softwares work with mobile application, either Android or iOS. You can download the app, or if you have a computer, PC or Mac, they work both with that. And the third thing, get paid via PayPal. You can earn PayPal money through this website once the test result has been approved. Depending upon the user test project, you can pay $5, you can get paid $10, you can get paid $15, you can get paid $20. So one of the tests I did today, it paid $10, and I have that converted into pounds. And then you have some project pay up to $90. This is the biggest project. They provide a certain task to complete, like visiting a website, go through the certain category, finding the product, taking screenshot, send it to them, something like that. So those tasks are gonna take 15 to 25 minutes to complete, but you can pay around $90 for that. All you have to do is put your email address here, your personal, or you create a new email address, is free to create, put it there, and you must be 16 years older. So click confirm and click agree and click sign up button, and you get email immediately to sign in and to fill the rest of the information. Before that, I want to show you this. Like I said, this is how they work. They provide certain tasks that you have to complete. For example, if you're using a mobile app, Userlytic, they will give you certain app to download and test, and test the app and give you all information. All what you have to do is, while speaking out loud, your thought, emotion, criticism and suggestion while you answering the question. Yes, when the test begin, for when your task is begin, you speak out loud through tell your thought and emotion and criticism and suggestion about that app or the website until the test end. This is the reason they are paying for you. So all you have to do is, even though you can't speak that properly, speak whatever come to your mind about that website and app, how they can improve it, what did you don't like about it, the color or the button or the how to find the information, something like that. Say it out loud until the test end. So that is the thing you have to do. You don't have to write anything, you don't have to create anything, you have to speak until then. This is the reason I said you need to have a PC and a laptop and a mobile phone, internet plus a microphone. So this is the countries they are working. They are working mainly, their main project coming from Europe and North America, but right now they open their a website for South Africa, South Asia, Japan and China and other countries. Even India and Pakistan also available in this country. You can go and join up. Also in the comment section write me where you from, so I can make videos surrounding that country, like a top 10 way to make money on India or top 10 money making idea in Japan or something like that. So put it write down where you from the comment section, so I can make a content like that in the future. So like I said, you need to have either PC or laptop and a mobile phone to do it. But when you download a mobile app or PC, there's one thing you need to consider. Mobile app is included, but for the PC you need to download this download recorder. What this do, because when you receive a new test available, you receive a notification through email. When you open that email and you sign into user LITEC and test begin. When the test begin, this downloader will record entire test, like your audios and what you are watching, whatever you do with your computer, it will record everything. When the test ended, this recorder automatically send this information to user LITEC for analysis. Once they physically analyze the video, they don't worry about whatever you're saying in this video. They all care if the audio is clear or not. That's the only thing care. Then they send this information to proper vendor. So for example, if a website come and ask a user LITEC to test a website, so they send this information to the website. Then when the website owners they approve that video or the audio both, then you get paid through PayPal. This is the thing. So what you have to do first, for your email address here, click confirm and agree, sign up, you get email. And what you have to do, then you have to fill the information like your name, a date of birth and where you from, and set up an account password for user LITEC. Once you've done that, this is your dashboard gonna look like, right? This is the dashboard gonna look like. It will show you whatever the test available right now, or if it's not available right now, it will show you at the moment there's no test available. Don't worry, because sometimes you don't have any test at all. Sometimes you have more than 2-3 tests available to do in a single day. So don't worry about that. But also what you can, this is the point I want to watch until the end. The reason is why you can maximize the earning from user LITEC with one single setting. You see here the profile is only 25% complete, so you need to qualify more, click this test and fill the rest of the information, so you have more chance to get test available every single day. So this section on the right is about your personal information. So on that you can set up the spoken language, you can select multiple language if you are speaking, and here is the important set. In the advanced part you need to fill you have a smartphone or tablet, a social network operating system, preferred web browser, education, currency and approximate household income, occupation, because this household income also determine what test gonna do. So if you are earning less than certain amount of money, number of tests available is very less, so put that in a little bit higher amount and not too much in the medium range is fine. Then family status like single or divorce or mother language, children's work experience, employment status, interstate, job and function role, as where your job is a consulting, finance and something like that, seniority and company size. So when you fill these information and Userlite has enough data to give more tests to you. So when you sign up, fill this information and bring your profile completion rate up to 100%, then you have a more chance to do test. This is how you can make money on Userlite by testing website and app. So basically Userlite gonna pay you $5, $10, $15, $20 and $90 per test for testing website and app. This is one website. The second website I recommend is called valleydeadly.com. Again, it's similar to Userlite, but you don't have to install anything. There's only Google Chrome extension you have to install. You don't have to download anything. This website is going to pay you $10 per test. Sometimes if the test is bigger, they pay up to $30, but I made around $30 to $40 in the past 1 week alone using Valley. You get email notification immediately and say the test available. When you click that, it will take a web browser and your Chrome extension automatically record and everything. Sometimes you don't get any email, sometimes you get 3 to 4 email from morning to evening to do the test. So if you qualify for the test, you get paid around $10 per test. So I put the both link in the description. Go and check it out. For the giveaway, if this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. So all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon on the comment section. After you like this video, on the comment section write I like this video and put your PayPal email address. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. But you have a more chance to win $10 PayPal money, £10 PayPal money if you like this video. Until that, see you next video guys. Have a good day.